Welcome, it's Mike Rendon here with the Rendon Remodeling Design, and we have completed another bathroom project in Alexandria, Virginia, and we are excited to show you the new space. We did a full remodel of this bathroom. Everything pretty much stayed in the same location, so we updated everything, provided a nice new design for the homeowner. All right, so we got the nice new shower over here. We got a nice frameless glass enclosure. Shower stayed in the same location. We did enlarge it slightly, just kind of extended it this way a bit, just to kind of give it a little bit more space in there. In the shower itself, we've got the fixed shower head and the separate handheld. It's nice to have kind of the two shower heads. The handheld's nice, of course, if you need to use it. And then also for cleaning the shower, it's also handy. In here, we did some nice tile work. We've got the 12 by 24 tile on this wall right here. And we've got the nice herringbone, the smaller herringbone tile on the shower floor. And then we've got the bench that kind of incorporates the accent wall. So we've got the accent wall here, and then the front of the bench continues onto the tub with the nice tile. So it's just a nice design and a nice feature. It's light and bright, and it kind of cleans up the space really nice. Over here, we've got the nice soaking tub. Soaking tub is in front of the windows, which is a nice place for the tub, you know, right by the natural light. We've got a big 36 by 72 drop-in signature hardware tub. This is a nice soaking tub to relax in. And then we've got the polished nickel hardware to go with it. We do have the separate handheld within the tub area as well. The separate handheld is just a nice feature to have if you need it to utilize while you're using the tub. And then on the platform of the tub, we incorporated the 12 by 24 tile. It's a nice light tile with some nice different tones in it. So it really complements the space here. And then we have the, as I mentioned, the accent tile on the front face of the tub that continues from the shower. So a very nice clean finish with the tub and the shower incorporated together. All right, in this bathroom, we installed a really nice large vanity cabinet. This is a furniture style vanity cabinet. So it's got the furniture style legs on the ends. It's open on the bottom, but it gives it a furniture style look. So it gives it a nice custom look for the bathroom here. The nice thing about this vanity cabinet, it's got a lot of storage. So you've got the doors kind of for open storage here, soft close features, and then you've got multiple drawers here, you know, which are great for vanity storage. So you got a lot of drawer space to work with. And then the countertop, we've got kind of a thicker countertop. It's a quartz countertop. So it's a nice clean countertop that goes well with the vanity, with the white undermount sinks, polished nickel faucets here. And then we've got a really large beveled edge. So it's got a beveled edge mirror here. And that's just a nice clean detail for the vanity space. And then the nice vanity lights above as well. So it's very clean vanity cabinet that has a lot of storage and really goes well with this bathroom. Lighting is very important in the bathroom. It's nice to have natural light, but we also want to have lighting in here as well. So you've got the natural lights around the window coming through the tub space, which is nice. And then we've got the lighting throughout the bathroom. And then we did put all of these lights on dimmer switches. So it's nice to use the dimmers to control the lighting. You know, if you want to come in the morning, you don't want it too bright, you're able to kind of dim the lights. So we could bring this lighting down. This is for the tub and shower lights here. And then we can turn them off, you know, and we can dim the vanity lights if we want to kind of bring down the light. So it's just a good way to control the lighting. And of course, if we need more light, we just add more light there. So it's nice to have dimmers to control the lighting output there. One of the other features we like to incorporate in the bathrooms is a timer switch for the exhaust fan. The nice thing about a timer switch is you can go ahead and set, you know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, however long. If you want to leave it on 30 minutes after you shower, you can set this timer so the exhaust fan will stay on for that period of time and shut off by itself. That's a really good way to help control the moisture after you've showered. There's a lot of steam and a lot of moisture in the air, so you can leave that exhaust fan on to mitigate some of the moisture, and then it'll shut off all by itself. One of the things with the exhaust fans that we install, we like to install very quiet exhaust fans. So once it's turned on, it's very quiet. It's doing its job without making a lot of noise. A lot of the older style exhaust fans sound like an airplane. So we try to install a very quiet exhaust fan just to make it a little nicer for the bathroom space. The nice thing about this bathroom, it's a pretty large bathroom, and so it does have a separate room for the toilet. So the water closet is in here. It kind of just continues the tile floor throughout this space, and it's a very nice open space here. It does have the slanted ceiling. This kind of stayed in the same location, but it is an American standard toilet, very good quality toilet that we installed. It's just nice to have this separate room for the toilet if you have the space. We really enjoyed working for this customer. This was a repeat customer that worked with us before. We actually worked with their neighbors in the past, and we built their screen porch. They referred this customer, and we did a remodeling project many years ago. They brought us back to do their bathroom. And so it was great to come back, help them and create their new bathroom space. It was a fun project to work on. If you're interested in any remodeling projects, please reach out. Go ahead and contact us on the website, fill out the form, give us a call, follow us on social media as well. And we look forward to working with you.